How to use Uppromote for Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel WebOS. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Uppromote for Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to shopify.com, or you can simply click the link on the description below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page in which it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that empowers individuals and businesses to create and manage their online stores, in which it provides a comprehensive set of tools and features to help entrepreneurs, retailers, and brands establish an online presence and sell products or services to customers around the world. And now that we know the background info of this Shopify, to access this platform, they also offer a variety of pricing plan that you can avail. By simply clicking this pricing option on the top panel, you will be able to see here some of the plan, including the basic, Shopify, and advanced plan. And below is the corresponding prices on each plan and the list of benefits it included. However, if you want to start a free trial, kindly proceed by clicking this button, Start Free Trial, on the top right corner. And all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information to sign in. And after signing in, you will be directed on the dashboard of Shopify, in which this is what the Shopify dashboard looks like. And you will see here on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating, such as home, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, sales channel, apps, settings, and many more. While under the home page, from here, you will see the step-by-step process on how to set up your online store, in which the first process is to add your first product, to add a custom domain, customize your online store, create a professional logo, and lastly, to name your store. And now to proceed, kindly click the apps option on the left side panel, and upon clicking on it, it will show you a pop-up window, in which from here, you will see a variety of applications that you can start installing to your Shopify. And below here, kindly click Shopify App Store in order to find the Uppromote application, in which from here, all you need to do is to simply enter on the search bar the word Uppromote. And below, kindly click this result, and upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. But before we proceed installing this application, if you scroll down below here, it will show you the overview about this application. And it says here that using this application, you can complete to have an easy referral and affiliate program app, and it is trusted by top brands and experts for a revenue boost. And aside from that, below here are some of the features that this application included, in which you can customize everything matching your brand, affiliate link, form, and affiliate portal, and many more. Aside from that, below here, it will show you that using this application, you can motivate affiliates with powerful options such as bonuses, gifts, and even a store credit. And below that feature, if you scroll down below here, it will show you some other pricing plan that they offer, including the free plan, grow affiliate, professional, and enterprise plan. And you can see below here the corresponding prices and the list of benefits on each plan. And now to proceed, just click the install button right here, and upon doing so, you will be directed on this page. And from here, just simply click Install App on the top right corner, and upon clicking on it, all you need to do is to wait for it to load, and after that, you will be directed in here. And from this page, under the Merchant Register, all you need to do is to enter your password, and to proceed, just click the Register button below here. But before you click the Register button, make sure that you enter or you check some of the information that has been filled by the system of this application. And now to proceed, the next thing that you need to do is to answer their question by simply selecting or answering using the given choices. Then just click Next button to proceed and keep selecting your answers to their question with the given choices. And after that, from here, just click Start Quick Setup button, and upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. Then proceed by clicking Get Started. And now, the next thing that you need to do is to fill out all of the required information under Setup Program, Recruit Affiliates, Get Referral Orders, and also the Pay Affiliate section. And below here, all you need to do is to simply select a commission type that you prefer. And we have here % of sale, flat rate per item, and flat rate per order. I'm going to choose percent of sale, and below the commission percentage that you could also customize. So let's say I'm going to make it 15 and proceed by clicking the Save and Next button below. And the next step is to recruit affiliates, and from here all you need to do is to create an affiliate account by simply clicking this Create Account button right here. And it will show you a pop-up window, and all you need to do is to simply enter your password and confirm your password. And after that, just click the Create button below here. And upon doing so, the next thing that you need to do is to activate your affiliate account. To do that, kindly click this button to turn this on. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply click the next button. And the next step is under Get Referral Orders. And below here, kindly click this link to test the tracking system. And you will be directed on your online store of Shopify, in which it is only a test to track the system of your online store. Now going back in here, just click this hyperlink text. And upon doing so, it will show you a pop-up window that also contains the referral list, ID, the order ID number, the affiliate name, total sales, commission, tracking type, and even the status of your referral. Now just close this window and proceed by clicking the next button below. Well, the next step is Pay Affiliate section, and below here all you need to do is to select a methods below that you'll need to pay affiliates outside the app. We have here PayPal, debit card, Venmo, UPI, bank transfer, check, Paytm, and other. And I'm going to choose this PayPal. And aside from that, below here, you will see under in-app payouts that you could also customize auto payout with PayPal, but you must have an upgrade account to do so. And now to proceed, just click this button that says Save and Finish. And upon clicking on it, it will show you a congratulations pop-up window, but proceed by clicking Go to Home button right here. And after that, you will be directed on the home page of Uppromote Affiliate and Referral, and from here you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can also navigate, and under the home section you will see here some of the recommendations. Promote your registration form by simply copying this link and pasting it in here on the next tab. It will show us how our affiliate program in Shopify will look like, in which it will show the benefits such as the cookie days, the commission type, the amount of commission. Below are some of the fields that they need to fill out in joining to our affiliate and referral program. Now going back to this page, we could also navigate some other options right here, including programs, affiliates, referrals, payouts, and many more. And under the program list, it will show you the name of our program, the type, the amount of percentage or commission, and the total affiliates. And aside from that, you could also navigate the affiliate section, the referrals, payouts, and even the analytics section, in which below this analytics, you will see here the data, including the performance of your affiliates, and from here you can track the total sales, the total commissions, and even the referral status. Well, aside from that, you could also navigate the growth option and coupon, and if you want to add a coupon, kindly click this button right here, and it will show us a pop-up window, and all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information and proceed by clicking Add Coupon in order to create your own coupon. And aside from that, you could also navigate a lot of options such as the settings, the media gallery, sources, and many more. Since the main purpose of this Uppromote app on Shopify is to help users manage and track their affiliates, as well as to create and manage affiliate campaigns. So that is just how you can use Uppromote for Shopify. Thank you.